Hello, in our lecture series of NCERT solutions, class 12 physics, we now take exercise 4.1. A circular coil of wire consisting of 100 turns each of radius 8 cm carries a current of 0.40 ampere. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field B at the center of the coil? This is NCERT 4.1. We look into the solution now. Circular coil of wire of 100 turns. Let's say you can think of a diagram of this type. Center O, this circular coil of 100 turns. Exactly 100 turns will not be there. Few turns are shown. Let it represent 100 turns. Okay. This is only a schematic diagram. It is not the realistic diagram. Okay, fine. So 100 turns. R is the radius. I is the current. It has to carry current, then only there will be magnetic field. So let's say that the direction of current, say like this. Okay. How much? 0.40 ampere. 0.40 ampere. But you can see in this O is the center of the coil and R is the radius. But in the question it is given each turn, each of radius R. But here this is the inner circle, this is the outer circle arc. So of course one can neglect this. The diagram itself is not necessary. Simply you can apply the formula mu naught Ni by 2R, substitute the value, solve. Anyhow, let's probe into this problem. Let's say you can neglect this because there is a variation in radius all the way from here to here. Okay. But we can neglect and proceed. Or in a better way, if you want to make all the radius to be equal, you can take a figure like this. This is a tilted view. This is also circular coil, but view is different. Tilted view. Now you can see here the radius of all the coils is same, 8 cm. This is better. Diagrams not necessary, once again I say. But let's think a little bit about this problem. That is why I drew this diagram. Here also let's say the current this way. Current can even be the other way around because he simply asked the magnitude. Only when you want to find, or when you are asked to find the direction of the magnetic field, you will have to consider the direction of the current. Otherwise you can consider the direction of the current any way you like. So we will go to the problem solving. B is equal to, we know, circular coil of n number of turns by 2R. Mu naught 4 pi 10 to the power of -7 Tesla meter per ampere. SI unit of this mu naught, Tesla meter per ampere. So mu naught into 4 pi into 10 to the power of -7 for mu naught. Number of turns 100, write as 10 to the power of 2. Current is 0.40 divided by 2R. 2 into R is 0.08 meter. 0.08 meter. If given 8 centimeter, divide by 100, you get 0.08 meter. Simplify. This pi you write here separately into this 4 and this 0.40, 1.60 into 10 to the power of -7, 10 to the power of 2. So 10 to the power of -5 whole divided by 0.16. This one, that will give you 0.16. This is equal to pi. This is 1.60, this is 0.16. So 10 into 10 to the power of -5 equal to pi into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. Approximately, you can write this as 3.1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. We confine ourselves to two significant figures. So we got 3.1 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. This is the answer. Have you understood this? Next question. NCERT 4.2. A long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. What is the magnitude of the field B at a point 20 centimeter from the wire? The NCERT 4.2. Now we go to solution. This is the diagram for that. Of course, diagram not necessary, but still we thought we could draw the diagram and explain. Okay, yeah, this is the long wire, long given in the question. So this wire is very long. This dotted line indicates that it is extending like this. Okay, carries a current of 35 ampere. Let's say we show it like this, 35 ampere. You can even show it downward. This is a point under consideration, P. Now what is the magnitude of the field B at a point 20 centimeter? This point is at 20 centimeter. This has to be 90. You can even consider it as 0.2 meter. To convert centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Okay, that and all you should be knowing very well. It is required to find magnetic field at P. What's the formula? What is the formula? Infinitely long straight current carrying conductor. The formula is mu naught I by 2 pi R. Remember, this is R. It's not mu naught I by 2R. Mu naught I by 2R for circular coil or circular conductor. Simply substitute the values. Mu naught permeability of free space, 4 pi 10 to the power of minus 7. Current I, 35 ampere, 2 pi R 0.2. Simplify further. Pi and pi will go, this 4 here 2, so you will get 2, and this is 2 here, this is 0.2 here, so 10 times. So you will get 35 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Of course, unit is Tesla. Full unit is this. So magnetic field B is, you can write this as 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Tesla. Same thing only. You can write it as So 350 10 to the power of minus 7 Tesla, of course, which can be written as 3.5. okay, this 350, you know, this you can write as 3.5 into 10 power 2, right? So the 10 power 2 can be joined with this 10 power minus 7. So here you will get this as 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. Is it clear? Now you can see the direction. Of course, direction is not asked here. You can see it's only asked magnitude. If you use right hand grip rule, the direction of the magnetic field, you will have to stretch your thumb like this. Right hand you have to use. Then you will have the field like this. So here the magnetic field will be going inwards, otherwise into the plane of the diagram, or you can even say going inwards. Magnitude 3.5 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. Direction pointing inward. How do you find? Apply grip rule such that the stretched thumb will be pointing this way, then the curled fingers will be in this manner. So here the field is coming out, here the field is going in. Okay, the field lines are circular, the conductor will be along the axis of the circle. Is it clear? Thank you.